as a dedicated combat helicopter in the 5.8-ton weight class. The LCH has a narrow fuselage and tandem seating arrangement with the pilot in front and gunner in the rear cockpit. Equipped with a 20 mm turret gun, long-range electro-optical system and helmet pointing system, the LCH makes the pilot's task easy for aiming and firing in day and night. The LCH integrates some of the common systems of the ALH WSI, such as transmission, integrated dynamic system, rotors, anti-resonance isolation system, integrated architecture display system, dual redundant hydraulics and 2 Shakti engines. The Light Combat Helicopter, a lethal helicopter from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited.